talk about these 4 YouTube niches that YouTube is demonetizing this year 2025. What this means is that if you plan to go into these niches or you're already playing in these niches, when you grow your channel and you're ready to monetize, YouTube will never pay you money, no matter how many thousands of subscribers and watch hours you have, no matter how many hundreds of thousands of views your videos get. You will get all the views, all the subscribers, but you will never make money from this video. So in this video, I'm going to list these 4 niches. If you're yet to start a YouTube channel, you are yet to pick a niche, you don't have to go into them. If you're already playing in these niches, I will share quick tips that will help you do things right. So when you are eventually monetized, you will still make money from your videos. If you wait to the end of this video, I will show you one website you can use to find out if a channel or a video is monetizing or not. This will help you a whole lot to understand if those videos you are admiring, if those channels you are admiring are even making money from their channels. Just in case you want to go into these niches, it will help you to confirm if these channels are monetizable or not before you jump in. First niche is 100% reused content or repetitious content. Now, this is where you uploaded a video on your channel. Maybe the video is doing well. After a couple of weeks or months, you go back and download that video and re-upload it again. The same video 2 times on your channel. YouTube frowns at this. If you've done it in the past, I will advise you to go back now and take down one of the videos, because when you are ready to monetize, it's actually one of the reasons why you will not get monetized. I mean, when it's time for YouTube to assess your channel to know if you're eligible for monetization, the moment they see reused content on your channel will not be eligible to monetize. If you're going to recreate content, YouTube expects that there's a significant difference between the first one and the second one. That is to say, if you want to recreate a popular video you've done in the past, you can do that, but there must be a difference between the first video and the second video. This way, you are safe from having issues of monetization when you are ready to monetize. The second type of video or niche that will not monetize in 2025 is compilation videos. Compilation video is a video that's made up of different viral videos put together and then uploaded on YouTube. Channels that are into compilation videos that are not doing it the right way are not monetized. It doesn't matter how many thousands of views you're getting on the videos. It doesn't matter how many thousands of subscribers you have. If you do your compilation video the wrong way, you will not monetize. The wrong way to do this is to go on and gather viral videos from different platforms, maybe from TikTok, put them together and you just upload it like that. With this kind of compilation, you will not make money from the video. Some people go on TikTok and download the TikTok video with TikTok watermark on it, and then they come on YouTube to upload the video. That is to say, YouTube is going to be promoting TikTok. Compilation videos like that will not monetize on YouTube. Moving on. The right way to do compilation videos to make money from it is to gather the videos you want to compile and add a touch of originality to the video. One way to do this would be to either add a voiceover, edit the video nicely, add a music, just do something about the video other than just putting those short videos together and upload on YouTube. If you're able to repurpose the content, you add some originality, making that video significantly different from the basic ones you compiled, then the video is original and it's going to monetize on YouTube. One good thing about these compilation videos is because they are funny videos, they tend to get a lot of views. If you look at this, these are examples of compilation videos, and if you look closely, you're going to see the number of views, the massive traffic these videos are generating. If you check these videos here, those that are not doing it the right way are not monetizing. The only people monetizing are those who are doing it the right way. Here's a bonus. If you want to check whether a channel is monetizing or whether a particular video is monetizing, there's a website you need to open and then copy a link to that video or a link to the channel. When you paste it on this website, the website is going to show you here, as you can see here, whether this channel is monetized, whether the video in question is monetized or not. So all you need is copy the link to the video or the channel as the case may be. Then come over to this website and paste the link. Once you click on check, it's going to display this, showing you details about the channel, whether it's monetized or not. The name of this website is called Monetization Checker. All you need is just go to Google and search ytmonetizationchecker.com and it's going to bring you to this place. Go on and paste the link, and then you're going to find out if this channel or the video in question is monetized or not. One advantage of doing this checking is that it's going to help you to know if the niche you want to venture into is monetizable or not, This way, you won't waste your time building a channel, getting 1,000 subscribers, a lot of views, and then you are not making money from it. The link to this website is contained in the description of this video. The third niche that will not monetize on YouTube in 2025 is reaction videos that are done the wrong way. Again, there's actually a right way of doing this and a wrong way of doing this. A reaction video is where a creator is talking about another creator's video, responding to another creator's video or comment. Say, I made a video and you want to react to my video. That means you are going to show your audience my video before you react to this video. And this alone is a copyright infringement, because you can't lift 1 minute, 2, 3 minutes of my video, showing it on your screen, talking to your audience without my express permission. And this is why when you do this the wrong way, your channel or the video will not monetize. Now, this is the right way to do it. If you are reacting to the video, first is that you need to put up a disclaimer. You don't lift the whole of the video, allow it to play to the end, and then you start talking about it. No. What you need to do is to let the clip play bit by bit, a little portion of it, and then you go on to react. Then you bring up a little portion of the one you are reacting to, you go on to react. Just that way you'll be able to bring in originality into the video, so at the end of the day it won't look like you lifted somebody's video, whole of the video, and play it to the end before you start saying whatever you are saying, because it's a copyright issue. So if you make a reaction video or you plan to go into that niche, I'll advise you learn the right way to do it. Recently, a creator talked about how his popular video was deleted from YouTube simply because the person he talked about in the video reported the video. And this is one thing about YouTube. When a video is reported, they go on to take the video down before you even have a chance of explaining yourself and defending yourself. The fourth type of content that will not monetize on YouTube in 2025 is manipulative or controversial content. Any kind of video that violates YouTube community guideline will not monetize. Here are some of the videos that are considered manipulative or controversial. Videos sharing links of certain websites that are considered dubious sites. Videos on how to get a pro offer for free. Videos on how to promote or glorify use of illegal drugs and substances, content that expose minors to dangerous activities, hate speech, political content, and the rest of them. If you make any of these videos, chances of your channel not getting monetized is very high. In fact, when you make a video sharing how somebody can actually use certain websites to achieve what is considered not straightforward, first is that YouTube is going to take down the video, and it's going to be an issue when you are ready to monetize. And then if you repeat that violation, YouTube is going to either give you a community strike or simply go on to delete your channel from YouTube. The best thing to do is to read YouTube community guideline, understand all the things you're not meant to do, and then avoid them. This way, when you put in the work of growing your YouTube channel and the channel is finally monetized, you'll be able to make a lot of money from your videos. Check the description of the video for a link to YouTube community guideline. I hope you got value from this. Please give this video a thumbs up. I'll appreciate that. See you in my next video.